severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 9 p.m. At 8:15 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Evergreen Park to near Pewtown, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Hammond, Gary, Tinley Park, Calumet City, Portage, Merrillville, Chicago Heights, South Shore, Roseland, Englewood, East Chicago, Schererville, Hobart, Lansing, Oak Forest, Crown Point, Harvey, Highland, Blue Island, Munster, Dolton, Park Forest, Homewood, and Alfred. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's